Hello everyone and welcome back to Sandy Says. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Kraft Easy Mac and Cheese. The first thing you want to do is peel off that blue lid that's at the top. Make sure you get all the plastic off so it doesn't melt in the microwave, and then remove that white packet that's on the inside there. That is your powdered cheese. So you're going to pull that out and then just set that to the side. Once you have set that to the side, you are going to take your little container and you're going to fill it up to the fill line that is on the inside. It says fill to here. I like to do it a little bit less than the fill line, and that makes my cheese a little thicker, but you can go up to the fill line if you want. Next, you are going to pop this in the microwave and do it for 3.5 minutes. So 3 minutes and 30 seconds at normal power level. And then you're going to let that cook. Once it is finished cooking, you're going to remove it from the microwave, and you are going to pour in the powdered cheese and then stir it up really good. If it's not, if the cheese isn't turning to cheese, if it's not getting sticky, you might need to add a little bit of water, and be careful that container might be hot, and then enjoy. 220 calories, 3 grams of fat, 5 sugars, 7 grams of protein, and the instructions are on the side if you need them.